Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. We all know that Areca Palm is one of the most popular indoor plants, and we also know that it grows quite slowly when grown in pots and if we keep them indoor. But there is another palm which grows quite fast comparing to Areca Palm. The name of the palm is King Palm, and here in this video I am going to discuss everything about King Plam Care with updates. Before 8 months it was looking something like this, and here is the same plant. Though 8 months is somewhat long time, it grew nicely comparing to an Areca palm. For example, here is one of my 3 years Areca palm, and you can see the difference very clearly. Alright, let's take a look how I grew it. As the plant was very small at the time of buying, I decided to use a very small pot, which was a 6-inch pot. For potting soil mix, basic soil mix works well, and we can take 50% normal garden soil, 25% coco peat, and rest 25% vermicompost. After repotting, please water thoroughly. Next, I kept the plant in balcony itself, and it was getting about 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight. This is the result after 3 months, and as we can see, the plant has already produced 2 new offshoots. So I decided to repot the plant once again by providing it a bigger pot. This is the pot that I used, and it's a 10-inch pot. From then the plant is in the same pot. Alright, finally this is the result after 8 months, and as we can see, the plant is growing quite well. Let's talk about how to care for the king palms. First one is sunlight. See, king palm actually needs direct sunlight to grow well, and if possible, please try to provide minimum 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. But if we do the same thing with Areca palm, then we are going to find yellow leaves on the Areca palm. Having said that, we can obviously keep the king palm indoor, and this is the same thing I am doing at this moment. But please make sure to provide it bright light, and definitely king palm is not for low light area. For watering, we can let the topsoil dry out before watering. In my case, during summer I water my plant once in 3 to 4 days. Please again note that nowadays I am keeping the plant indoor, and if you are going to keep your plant outdoor, then you may have to water more frequently. For fertilizing, just like Areca palm, we can apply DAP once in 25 to 30 days, and for one 10-inch pot, we can use near about 5 to 7 DAP crystals at once. It's very easy to use. Just keep the crystals surrounding the pot and then press it very lightly. Then water your plant, and that's it. Or else you can also use organic fertilizer such as seaweed or even Growth Plus. The dose is 3 to 5 ml in 1 liter water, and you can apply once in 15 to 20 days. Both are also available on Amazon, and you are going to find the link in description box. So what about the pest attack? Well, in most cases you are not going to find major pest attack on king palm. But I was able to spot mealybugs on my plant, and it happened as the king palm was near to one of my croton which was under severe attack. I sprayed the disinfectant spray, and all the mealybugs were gone very quickly. I also have one more video where I have shown 5 different easy ways to get rid of mealybugs. If you are interested to know the other 4 methods, then please check out that video simply clicking on the I button on top right corner, or you can also find the link in the description box. So guys, basically this is all about how to care for the king palm. If you are looking for some taller indoor plant and a plant that grows quite fast, then I believe you would love to grow king palm at your home. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.